Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're taking a look at three different ETFs, KWEB, SPY, and QQQ. So without further ado, let's first start off with KWEB. So as you can see, KWEB seems to have pulling down, and it's no surprise because once we hit the cloud resistance on the way up, the cloud would definitely act as a resistance, and we're looking at a pullback now towards the blue conversion line and the red baseline. So as you can see, currently now the red baseline is actually the last support that we have to hold, and it's currently around 2984 levels. So based on the Fibonacci support on the way down from a low of 27.69 to a high of $32, we are currently around at this 50% level. Thereafter will be 29.34 and 28.71. In the event that all these three levels do not hold, then potentially we may come back to retest the lows of 27.69 for KWEB. That said, if we manage to actually clear this blue conversion line, this resistance at around 3080, 3090 levels, then potentially we may come back to test the cloud resistance once again. And this time, hopefully, we can actually surpass the cloud resistance to push us further towards 32 or even $33 for KWEB. So let's take a look at SPY. So for SPY, seems to be an uptrend. You can see that clearly we are creating a higher low. So that is a good sign. This is a low and a higher low. So potentially we may see more upside towards SPY. So from the recent low of around 380.65 and the recent high was 418. You can see that we actually cleared all the Fibonacci resistance. And we're currently at the last Fibonacci resistance at 78.6% at 410 levels. So if you can clear this convincingly, then it's likely for us to actually reclaim back this 418 levels, which was also the recent high back then. So two supports to watch. We'll be watching the blue conversion line. The first one is around 402, 403 levels. And thereafter, if you break down the $400 psychological support level, then the next support we are looking at is around 396, which is this red baseline here. So let's take a look at QQQ. So for QQQ, it seems to be on uptrend as well. So things are starting to look good. So as you can see, this previous resistance here, if this can turn into a good support, that will be a good sign for QQQ. So currently now you can see that this blue conversion line is holding it pretty well at 313 levels. So if we break down this support level, the next support we're looking at is this red baseline here at around 303 levels, about 10 points away. So that said, looking at the Fibonacci resistance on the way up, the recent high was around 334 and the recent low was around 254. So clearly, quite similar to SPY, we already cleared most of the Fibonacci resistance and we are currently at this 8.6% at 317. So once we can clear 320, and then potentially we may come back to retest this 334 levels or even break out above this 334 levels here. So currently now it looks pretty good and hopefully it will remain good for all three ETFs. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.